Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva as a pro, even if you're a beginner. Okay, let me just share my screen and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, you are going to learn how to use Canva like a pro. Easy Canva tutorial for beginners in 2025. So who is this Canva for? Basically, Canva is for anyone who runs business on online. Okay, so it could be you're an affiliate marketer, digital marketer, or content creator. Canva is really a must-have tool. It helps with graphic designing, creating your thumbnails, social media posts, and even you can create videos in there as well. So just to show you the basic dashboard of Canva, as you can see, this is Canva, right? I'm already on the Canva. If you go to canva.com, you can create an account. It's very simple. Once you create your account, you can go to your homepage, okay? When you go to homepage, you would see this dashboard page. If you've already created some kind of design, you can see your recent um, templates and things like that. If not, then you will have a empty one. Okay, like as you can see, these are all the things that I've been trying to create it, so you would have that as well. Canva is such an easy tool. Literally whatever you want to create it, you can just type it here. Let's say, for example, if I want to create a thumbnail, okay, you just need to type YouTube thumbnail. And it will have lots of templates that are kind of ready to use. Or the other way you can use is you can literally just go to templates, okay, and then you can search for the templates. Again, the search button, you can use it here. YouTube uh, thumbnails. If you type it here, you would see lots of thumbnails that you can already use it. Okay, the only thing to bear in mind is those thumbnails, like the templates with this pro is a paid version. So if you have a paid version, you can use this. If not, then you will have to use the free version. So this one is free, this one is free, and all this with this pro sign with the crown is the paid ones. To be honest, like if you're just a beginner, even the free templates are very good enough to create any graphic designing or whatever you need to. Okay, I didn't have paid one until late, but to be honest, like it's worth investing into paid one as well because it's not that expensive. It's literally like $10 a month. So let's say you want to create a YouTube thumbnail with this template. You can change everything. So if you want to customize this template, what happens is you will have this editable template, right? You can change everything. For example, let's say you want to change this into digital marketer. Okay, so you can just type it digital market digital marketing. Okay, now as you can see, this is very big. You can make this letter small. You can move it where you want to move, right? So to minimize the size, you can either do this and then this line, you can just put it out so that it will be it will be the size you want to, or you can go here. You see, this is the size. Okay, you can minimize the size of the letters from here as well. Okay, now if you want to change the font, you can do that. Again, just click on the font, and here you will have tons of fonts. Again, here some are paid ones, like this brand kit. As you can see, the pro one, the crown is paid version, and rest of it, like without the crown sign, is the free one, so you can use them. Okay, not only that, now you can also change the picture of this person. You can upload it, right? So let's say Dare to Dream, you can add your stuff. let's say Kamala Rani. Now, you can change the space in between letters as well. This arrow spacing, if you go here and if you change, if you minimize it, it will minimize. If there are two lines, you can add the line spacing as well. Obviously, there's only one line, so you can't see it. But if you had two lines, let's say like Kamala and Rani, if you wanted to increase the space or decrease the space, you can change it. It's so cool, right? So that's about that. Now, let's say you want to change the color of it, you can do it. If you can go in here, you can change it to different colors that you like, okay? Like this one, this one, whichever you want to. If you go into the add new color, you can even customize your color as well, right? So you can move it to here, as you can see, and if you move it up here, it will become more red, and you can play around with it. It's so much fun, right? Now, if you want to create, a thumbnail with your photo, you just need to go to upload. I have few photos already uploaded. If you want to upload yours, and if you have a new account, you don't have any, you can just go to upload files and you can get it from your computer, okay? Let's say I want to get some pictures um, from my computer. I could just go here and get some photos, literally, like wherever you saved your photos, right? Um, Pictures. We have lots of pictures, but they are in different places. There you go. Let's say, okay, here you go. Let's say I want to upload no, that's a video. Bear with me. Okay, let's say I want to do this picture, okay? So it will start uploading here, okay? And once it's uploaded, can you see that filling thing is done? And you can see it here, okay? So there you go. If you have Pro, one of the beauty about having Pro is you can remove the background, like, background remover. But if you have the free version, you will have to use something extra software, like, background remover, and you can remove it for free. Right now you can position this picture wherever you like. You can make it small, big, you can move it around, and you can do what you like, really. Right now, if you want to add like digital marketer, right, let's move it down here. Okay, all right, so I just want to move it a little bit on the side. Okay, now digital marketer, if I want to add anything else, I could just go to the text, right, and then add subheading or heading, whichever you want to add, and then I can type here, let's say digital marketer, digital marketing for busy moms. Okay, so I could just move this one up. Um, it can be a little bit fiddly, so you'll have to have some patience, right? And I can also change the colors of the words. Let's say I want to highlight this busy mom, okay? So I could just go here and then again go to this color, and whichever color I want, I can change it. Like if you hover over, you would see the busy mom's color, it changed, not only that, you can also um, change the font size again, like, and make it italic, uh, do like, lots of things. If I want to change the transparency, I just need to go to transparency and then, just play with it, right? If you want to fade it out or you want it fully, like, on zero transparent, you can again play with that. The other thing I wanted to show you is here, as I say, the designs are all the templates, right? You can see tons of templates that you can choose from. The other important part is the element. If you go here in the element, you can see lots of things here. These are the things I've been recently using. You can use lots of shapes as well. Graphics. Let's say if I'm making a YouTube video, I can just say subscribe. There you go, add it somewhere, right? And this is really good. You can also type it here. Let's say I want golden lines. And here you go. Again, there are lots of pro version, but there will be lots of the free ones as well. Okay, again, like, I can make it less transparent so it doesn't, it doesn't cover my thing. I could leave it like that, or if I don't like it, I could just delete it. I could just have this golden line and minimize it, maybe, and just put it up here, right? So you can play around. I hope you got what I'm trying to say, right? So the most important thing is design for the templates, elements, right? Text, uploads. I think these are the most things that I normally use for my Canva, and that works really well. There are other tons of things that you can obviously explore. The second thing I use Canva for is for the presentation, because yes, you can use Google Sheet, or PowerPoint. There are different ways to make your uh, presentation, but Canva gives lots of nice, templates that you can use, which is amazing, because you can use lots of amazing templates that will help you to stand out in your presentation as well. So for example, this is the one I use it recently, but there will be tons of other templates as well. Let's say if I want to use the templates for the presentation, again, the what you can do is you can literally go into the search bar, the home screen, and you will see presentation. Okay, just bear with me, the computer is a little bit slow. Here you go, presentation, create new, right? So you can just go here and select a bit slow, bear with me. So on the left-hand side, you will have lots of templates, as you can see, and you can use any template that you like from here and then start creating. Again, there are lots of free ones as well. If you don't have the paid ones, you can absolutely use the free ones as well. This is really cool, right? You just need to do apply all 15, and these are all editable. That's the beauty about it. Again, the way I show you for the YouTube thumbnail, it's the same thing. You can edit, you can add, you can add different elements, you can change the fonts and all that stuff. Hope this makes sense. And the other cool part is you can do presentation from here, Canva itself, right? So for example, if you want to present this one, you can do present full screen, you can do present and record it from here, and save it that way, right? Now let's say you are happy with your stuff and you want to share it, right? You want to download it. You just need to go to share, and once you do that, you just need to go to download. If it's a photo, like YouTube thumbnails, you can just do PDF standard, even for the you can do the suggested one, and that will perfectly work for your PDF, for your presentation and everything, right? So literally what you need to do is, like, you just need to click which one you would like, right? And then I normally leave it at PDF standards, go download, and once it's once you press download, as you can see, this is filling up. Once it's all done, there you go, it's all downloaded. Okay, so you just need to do check the download thing, and you can open it, you can rename it. Before you download it as well, you can just rename whatever you like, what the presentation is about. Let's say, what is digital marketing. You can name your presentation here as well, so you know what is that exactly about. One thing I want to share with you again is, like, you can give access to anyone with the link, so that they can design using your link, so that's good. They don't have to sign in. They can literally edit and use your thing. You can download it, you can present it, you can use a public view link so that people can just see your work. So these are all the amazing features of Canva. Now, if you want to make reels from here, Instagram reels, it's very simple. Again, you just need to go here and just need to type. Let's go to the home again, okay? And you just need to type Instagram Reels, okay? Then you can have lots of free videos there, then that you can use, okay? Let's say Instagram Reels. All right, so, oh, this is new AI thing actually. I do not want it to use the AI. I want to use the template, all right? So, again, what you want to use is Instagram Reels. Oops. Okay, Instagram Reels. If I press that, you will have tons of Canva templates for the Instagram Reels as well that you can use it. This is so good. Literally, you can use this. You can again change, edit it as you like. This it's time to love, right? You just need to do customize this template. It will take you to the new browser, and now you can customize this. It's time to love. Let's say I want to talk about digital marketing again, then I could just edit it as it is. Again, the same thing, same principle for editing. You just have to have to play with these numbers and all that stuff, right? If you want to add more, you can add more videos as well, and you can edit it here. How long do you want it? You can minimize it, you can make it longer, uh, and you can literally download this and share it, and your reels are ready. This is one of the best tools that I've ever invested in. So if you also want to use this Canva, check the link in the description. Again, you can use the free version, but I absolutely think the pro version is worth investing into, because you have access to so many features and so many things that the free version doesn't give it. But otherwise, if you're just a beginner, absolutely free Canva also works. If you have any question on Canva, or if you want me to create any videos regarding Canva, please let me know and I can create more. Again, this is just a beginner tool. I don't want to overwhelm you guys. This is just the surface level of Canva training. Hope this helps. Thank you so much for this training. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Follow me for more tips, and I'll see you in next video.